Holy shit! That's awesome! That's too cool! Actually need to zoom out to get it all. Holy fuck! Oh, it's about to surface! Yeah! Okay, totally worth every second of run down here for this. Hopefully. Dude. I wonder if I put my hand towards it, will it actually touch my hand? Holy shit! Yo! This is too fucking cool! Oh, it wouldn't let me touch it. Too cool though. This is like, hey, come chill out with me, yo. This is too cool. Alright, this may be the coolest thing I've did all day. Oh, this is awesome. Holy shit. Oh, I can't believe my phone has lasted this long, you know? I wonder if I could pet it. Holy shit, just pet a manatee. I didn't actually mind it. Yeah, this is too fucking cool! Holy shit!